This is it.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button. What we're gonna do today is pick up our brand new build. It's a 2016 Audi S7. Really low miles, really cheap. This is the owner of the car. We actually found this car on Craigslist, but it happens to be that I actually know this guy. We talked in the previous, we talked in the past actually.
You guys go way back,
we go way
right?
back. Yeah. And I didn't know he was selling it, so now I know. So he's selling this car because he got himself an R8, and he needs to put money into his R8. It's not here. It's a real nice R8. Maybe we'll show it in our future videos.
Yeah, of course.
So we're gonna take this car off his hands. We're gonna pretty much buy it off of him, how much he got it for, and basically he's gonna put the money into his R8, build his R8. So yeah, talk a little bit about this car. You know, how much? 17K,
so,
right?
18,000 actually had a co-part. It had front end damage. As you can see, the hood's crumpled. No frame damage. It went right over the top of the reinforcement. You need a fender, basically a whole front clip with radiators, fans, and all that good stuff. There was a little intake piece here that cracked, and as a result of that, it wouldn't run. So we've got to change that out before we can get it started. But that's about it. Hasn't been started since the accident, so we're gonna find out today.
Yeah. So before we're gonna take the car home, we actually need to exchange this part right here. Little plastic pieces broke off, and we just want to make sure it didn't go inside pretty much the engine, intake manifold. So we got a new part. We got this little camera right here. We're gonna put it inside, see if there's no plastic pieces stuck inside. If there is, we're gonna actually take them out first before starting the car. So we're gonna do that first. And if once we start the car, once everything's good, we're gonna load up the car and take it to our shop and start working on it. So first we're gonna actually try to use a vacuum, maybe suck out the plastic pieces, small plastic pieces, if there's something in there. Hopefully there's nothing in there. And then we're gonna pretty much use this little camera right here with a little flashlight, go inside it, see if there's any plastic stuck inside it that don't wanna come up with the vacuum. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so in the very last cylinder, it looks like there's some sort of little piece. I'm not sure if that's plastic or not. It doesn't really look like plastic because it has a little glare to it from the flashlight. Yeah, so I don't know if that's a piece in there or something, but we're gonna try to vacuum it out with like with a tube or something, and try to see what it is. So you can see that's one of the cylinders. That's pretty much the very last one. So the first ones were clean. The first ones were really good. That's just one side. So then we're gonna just check the other side. So let's try to get that vacuumed out, see what it is. We're just making our own little custom vacuum with the
rubber hose with the elbow on it.
With the elbow on it, so we can kind of get around the corner into the cylinder and try to suck out this little piece. We're gonna try to leave the camera in there. Hopefully, there's not a lot of room to play around, so we'll see how it works out. Hope we take it out.
Open heart surgery on this bad boy?
Yeah. It's either that or completely pull off the whole engine, which is about to happen.
Alright, who's the head surgeon here? Who's the head surgeon here? Koss or Fonzie? Who would you trust?
Someone's gotta be camera.
You can be the surgeon, I'll be the nurse. We're doing some surgery here. Look at that.
I don't know, my guy. Duct tape with surgery?
Yeah. We got the camera ready, the vacuum ready. Let's see. Alright. Let's get it.
There it is. Keep going.
Alright guys, so we checked everything inside. That little piece that you guys saw on the camera, we might have gotten it out because it's just gone. And I don't know what happened to it. It's not there anymore. Maybe it's inside the vacuum. I don't want to go through the vacuum, to be honest. So now we're just gonna put the charge pipe back on, a brand new one, and basically start the car. See how the engine runs. If anything runs good, we'll be out of your house. And
I go to bed.
won't bother you anymore. All right, let's get to it. Let's kill it. does blow in the impact on the battery. So we got this little bypass wire. Just temporarily, we're gonna put it on, try to start the car, make sure the engine is running good, because we're gonna have a new battery terminal, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, let's kind of get to the battery of this car.
The people that actually scammed us with the Lambo did that. I don't know if you guys noticed.
Yeah.
We mentioned that, but basically they just put a bypass wire or a bracket, basically connects the two connections. Yeah.
Actually, the same piece that we changed in the Lambo. Same part number, same everything.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so remember how our Lambo has pretty much all the Audi parts?
Basically, yeah, it's like
Same thing, I actually ordered
almost
this.
50% Audi.
Yeah. This is not that expensive, so that's good. So that's pretty much all we gotta change right here. So we're just gonna put this little bypass, basically what they did to the Lambo, just to start it and see it. Check it out.
Alright, let's get her in and get this puppy roaring.
Alright, the bypass is in. Now we just gotta wait and install that piece and try to start the car. Well, first of all, my eye hurts. I actually stepped on this pretty badly. Guys, always wear safety glasses. Ooh. Hold on, don't start it yet. Don't start it yet. So, we put everything together. We put the bypass on. So right now, we're going to start it. I really hope everything's good.
Pass, let it rip.
I'm so nervous. Battery? Let's try again. Let's just really hope it starts. Almost.
I think it just sat for so long.
Yeah, this car been sitting here for ever, so.
It's wanting to go.
It wants to go.
I think it has to charge a little bit longer, right? Almost there.
You might be right. I'm gonna let it sit.
This one's it. Let it rip.
Come on.
Come on.
It's gotta get the taste of that fuel a little bit.
Yeah.
Almost there. It wants to. It wants to.
It really wants to go. Ooh. Is it working? It's running a little rough.
I turned it off. I let it soak some of the piston rings and stuff and spun it.
Yeah.
Brought oil up and got fuel.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna work.
Rev it!
No, not rev. What do you think?
I think it sounds fine. There's idle drop.
Dang.
Idle dropped on its own. That was the
Let's
tire
load it up
idle.
on the trailer.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's good job, man. Good job. We We got this.
Oh,
We got it.
roll
All right,
it.
let's stop it. Stop it. Alright guys, we loaded up the Audi on the trailer. We're ready to head out home. One more thing we forgot to mention. Cos actually managed to buy pretty much almost all the parts that we are going to take with us. So out of the front bumper you can see the pretty much just a whole bunch of what, like 90% of the parts you already bought?
Yeah, 90% of the stuff. So you just need radiators and a few other things.
So this we just completed it right here.
So there's very little, there's a few more parts that we do need to buy. That we will buy, and you still have some parts coming in the mail still.
Yep.
So he just didn't have time to put this car together, and like I said, he has more projects on the way, and he has a wife at home. You know, he gotta give her attention, not the car.
I gotta go to bed. I gotta wake up
Yeah,
in the
so
morning.
we're gonna load up all these parts as well, load up in the truck, and we're gonna hit the road. And this is pretty much it, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see the car being rebuilt completely, just hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and let us know what you guys think. Peace.